Hi there, my name is James Bent and I work for iasset.com, an installed asset lifecycle management platform utilized by vendors, distributors and resellers VARs to manage sales opportunities through the LIPS or Land, Invest, Protect and Surrender product lifecycle stages. iasset.com automates and uncovers opportunities within hardware, software, IoT, OT and cloud installed assets, from net new sales to upsell and cross-sell campaigns, and from recurring revenue events such as cloud billing and renewals to managing end of life, end of support and tech refresh. In this video, I'm going to introduce how iasset.com Lite, a simplified version of the platform aimed at smaller VARs and resellers, enables you to manage the protect stage of the product lifecycle, specifically on automating and streamlining the renewal of expiring contract items such as maintenance, support and licenses, while building installed assets for use in the other LIPS product lifecycle stages. Onboarding to iasset.com Lite couldn't be simpler. Once you're signed up with us, you get access to the platform and can complete the simple setup, being up and running within days. Simply upload your existing data using our data importers, where at minimum we only need 8 points of data about your suppliers and customers and contacts, together with how you price your opportunities. Then detail how your customer-facing quote output should be configured, and you're ready to go. Within the protect stage, there's two paths to managing opportunities. The first is the protect installed asset quoting, where if you have existing installed asset data, perhaps point of sale or POS or contract data, you can upload it to create installed assets in iasset.com, including capturing contract expiry dates. The platform then uses these to automatically create opportunities at set points in time, for instance 90 days from contract expiry, together with pre-configured quotes. If you don't have existing installed asset data, you can still use the protect greenfield approach instead, where so long as you know there's an opportunity to renew an expiring contract, perhaps because your customer or distributor notifies you, you can manually create opportunities to manage. In either case, using iasset.com's supplier quote import tool, you can create import mappings for your Excel supplier quotes, or else use our import template before importing supplier data to create the quote line level configuration together with your purchase pricing. At this point, you also have the ability to create products on the fly, building a product catalog as you go for use with other opportunities. And because you'll have already set up your pricing, for instance the margins you use, iasset.com automatically prices each quote line, no matter if it's for tens, hundreds or even thousands of lines, removing of course the time, the burden and the risk of having to price your quotes manually. At any point from then on, you can use our quote management tools, so for instance to perform bulk configuration or bulk pricing updates, including creating quote versions before sending the quote to your customer in your predefined quote format. When your customer confirms the order, you'll capture the PO details, mark the quote as ordered, and at minimum create an export file to import the sales order into your finance system, ready for invoicing. Upon the quote moving to order, iasset.com automatically updates the installed assets, enabling you to continue your product lifecycle journey. For instance, tracking the next term renewal, or else managing the invest stage events of upsell or cross-sell or surrender events of end of life, end of service using our campaigns capability. In terms of the benefits of iasset.com Lite, we've found that without iasset.com, VARs and SPs can lose up to 50% of their recurring revenue due to inadequate systems and processes, or simply because chasing smaller renewals manually is not economically viable. Many smaller VARs and SPs also don't have the desire or expertise to deploy our full-blown integrated platform. Because iasset.com Lite is an easy way for entry-level resellers to automate their entire product lifecycle, by having all of their assets and contracts tracked in one place, iasset.com Lite takes the pain out of their business and allows them to compete more effectively with their larger competitors. If you'd like to know more, all you need to do is reach out to your regional sales office to organize a demo and discussion on how to get started. Thank you.